Want to record something on your Mac computer screen, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to screen record on Mac without having to download any additional software. Now let's get started. The easiest way to screen record on Mac is using the built-in QuickTime app. Open QuickTime from your Mac launchpad. In the menu bar at the top of your screen, click File. Then select New Screen Recording. A toolbar will appear on your screen. You can choose if you want to record your entire screen or just a selected portion of your screen. If you click Options, you can choose where your recording will be saved, which microphone you want to use for your recording, and configure other recording settings like countdown and if you want to show mouse clicks. When you're ready to record, simply click anywhere on your screen to begin, or click Record in the toolbar. Record whatever you want to capture on your Mac screen. When you're finished, click the recording icon in the menu bar at the top to stop recording. A preview of your screen recording will then open, and you can watch it back and save it to whichever folder you want to store it in. That's all it takes to screen record on your Mac computer. Want to screen record on your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.